Hey there, I'm Krista with WTI, and I'm a total candle lover, but I was just a little bit skeptical about warmers. That is until I found this Lukasa candle warming lamp. It has completely erased all of my doubts and made me a total fan. I'm honestly loving this candle warmer so much because it is just as beautiful as it is functional. The amber fluted glass lampshade distributes a warm light from the lamp, just as if I were burning a candle with an open flame, which I love. Also, the neck is adjustable so that I can set a votive size all the way up to a full jar under the lamp, and it's gonna burn really evenly and it's gonna distribute that scent really nicely throughout my home. It was so easy to begin using. Once you turn it on, there are 4 different light and heat settings and even a timer so that I can set it and forget it. So if you want to extend the life of your candles and you want to add a beautiful piece of decor while doing it, then you need to check out this Lukasa candle warming set. And that's my point of view.